Why do you have to stay with me at night? Live in every corner of my life, haunting me since you said goodbye. Burn, hold your cigarette made in my shirt. I wear it way too much, it makes it worse. You're not just a memory, you're a curse. And in these rooms, I think of you, I find them hard for me to just walk through. Wish I knew what to do, 'cause they only lead back to you. In these rooms, I think of you, I find them hard for me to just walk through. Wish I knew what to do, 'cause they only I knew what to do, 'cause they only lead back to you, back to you. On the couch, the floor, the bed, the love we made. And every wall and every picture frame. Hear your voice, but all I feel is pain. And in these rooms, I think of you, I find them hard for me to just walk through. Wish I knew what to do, 'cause they only lead back to you. In these rooms, think of you, find them hard for me to just walk through. Wish I knew what to do, 'cause they only lead back to you, back to you. Pick it up and start again. We've got a second chance, you could go home, escape it all, it's just irrelevant. It's just medicine. Something, who can you really call a friend? Late night stressing, cause I'm guessing can happiness ever last?
who do you look to then? When everybody wants something, who can you really call a friend? Late night stressing cause I'm guessing, can happiness ever last? Cause there's times it's really here, but remains inside the past. I've given everything I've got, but I always seem to crash. If life really